everybody, just wanted to give everyone a walkthrough and a behind the scenes hard hat tour of where we are with the Catawba internal renovations of the Hickory Metro Convention Center. Come along with me and Barry and we'll take you along to show you the updates and the exciting new features that we have to offer here at the Convention Center. Hey everyone, we're inside Catawba 1, which is being currently renovated into a new meeting room that will be able to hold board style meetings, education setups, seminars, and the like. The grid has gone in, some of the light fixtures still have to go in with the flooring, and then also we will have a new state-of-the-art plug-and-play video screen there along the wall, which will be a new state-of-the-art AV system for this side of the building. So now we're in the main hallway here in the Catawba section. As you just saw, that is the new networking nook area that will offer seating out in the hallway, but also behind me, you see the new entrance into Catawba 3, 4, 5, and 6, which will be freshly renovated and beautiful. We'll look at that in just a second. But next, we're gonna show you the new and improved renovations to the restrooms. So here we are in front of the newly renovated restrooms. We're so excited about these. As you can see, there were new water fountain stations on the exterior, all new tile work, all new fixtures. It's just absolutely gorgeous. We're excited to offer 2 family restrooms as well as expanded men's and women's restrooms here between the Catawba Rooms. And then directly behind me is the new hallway that will lead to the 46,000 additional square feet that we're building onto the Convention Center here in Hickory. We're doing a little sneak peek. This is all covered up to protect the floors, but I wanted to show you the new tile work on the floors in the bathrooms. And it's so pretty. We're so excited. Another look, this is the new entryway tile. This will be in a couple different locations throughout the new renovated portion of the Convention Center. But really paying homage to that well-crafted style here that we have in Hickory. We're just really loving all the new textures and all the new tile work and the beautification of this project. So here we are in Catawba 3, 4, 5, and 6. And this will be one of the main meeting areas, and it's one of the hearts of the renovation in here. If you've been in here before, you remember those cinder block walls. Well, those are no more. And now we have beautiful, we're gonna have beautiful fixtures and floating ceilings, and this will be really a wonderful location for meetings and events of all sizes. Hey you guys, one last piece that we wanted to update you on is all of the new technology and AV assets that we're implementing throughout the entire Hickory Metro Convention Center facility. Not only are we offering plug and play options in all of our meeting rooms and locations, but we're also adding these state-of-the-art new screens outside, very large screens I should say, outside of all of our meeting rooms to better assist our meeting planners and our event organizers and give updates for event schedules, things going on throughout the day in those rooms, and overall with the meeting agenda. So we hope that those are a wonderful asset to you guys as planners and as folks that are utilizing the facility.